In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Appen to earn money. So the first step is to download the Appen Task app, and then you just have to open it. Now after we do that, we just have to tap on My in the bottom right corner, and then we just have to go to Profile, and from here we just have to tap on Register. Now it's very important to choose your country, so here you can simply choose whatever country you want and then simply complete the registration process. Now after you do that, we're gonna have to go to projects here, and you will see a list with different projects. Now based on your country, you'll receive different types of AI projects that you can work, and you can basically get paid by the hour or by rows depending on what types of tasks you have. So as you can see, they also tell you what work equipment you need, the estimate period, the daily working hours. You also have the contact name here, and you have all the application processes and steps that you need to complete. So basically that's all you have to know in order to use Appen to earn money. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.